download and install Steam on Windows 11 is quite simple. Simply open up your browser, any browser, go to a new tab, and here type in for Steam download, hit enter. So here we are. Just go and click on the first link. And here you can see install Steam and there is Windows icon. So just go and click on this. And the setup would be 2 MB. Just go and open it up. Click on yes to start the installation. Next, next, install. Now you can see here it is. Just go and click on finish. Now it will download a lot of different things. And just go for and wait for the downloads to complete. And once those are complete, it will start the installation of different packages that are required for the Steam. So just go and wait for it to complete those installations. It really depends upon your computer. I think it could take anywhere between a minute to 3 to 4 minutes. So the extraction and the installation will continue. So now it says installing the updates. So first downloading, then extracting, and now installing the updates. So now the installation has completed. Now the Steam app will open up. So here you can see here it is. Again, extracting more packages. It's funny. Anyways, like it will continue to go on. It will directly open up the sign in screen after it. And you can simply sign in with your username and the password. And that will be it. I hope this video has helped you out to download and install Steam on Windows 11. But before you go, please like the video.